My SMMA has made over $12 million, and I'm here to answer the question if SMMA is dead in 2024. Let's get into it. I've pocketed $12 million online. We have 200 plus clients. I speak on stages around the world because of my SMMA, and I'm here to answer, is SMMA dead? For the past 5 to 6 years, I've ran a social media marketing agency that has serviced coaches, consultants, service providers, e-com stores. We've been in business over 5 years. We've beaten most of the breakpoints statistically of having a good business. Most businesses don't last over a year. 89% of them fail within a year, and then another 90% fail in the next 4. And after running an SMMA, I can tell you it's the fastest way to make 10K per month, and it is the second fastest way to get out of the rat race and inject more cash into your life and live a better lifestyle. Because for some of you who are not making 10K a month, it is the fastest way to do so. It takes 3 to 4 clients. It's not as hard as you think. It's more of a belief system issue and a money belief that is really prohibiting you from taking the right actions. Now, what I really want to go over is why is SMMA not dead? And we've heard this across the internet, people telling you to try new business models, affiliate marketing, Amazon, Walmart, just be a life coach, whatever people are throwing and spewing at you. And I'm here to tell you that it's wrong. And most of the business owners out there that are telling you to try new business because it worked for them. You need to find what works for you. And SMMA is not dead. I have tons of friends who are making 100K, 200K, 300K a month running their SMMA. We do over $500,000 a month because we have good systems, we have good people, we have good clients, and we have overall a good ecosystem in how we sell. And most of these questions, by the way, are coming from a place of cookie cutter. Is SMMA dead? Maybe for you it is because you don't have the right skills to build a business. Maybe having an e-com store is better for you. It really just depends on what your goals are and your aspirations and like what kind of person you are. Are you extroverted, introverted? Are you a leader? Are you not a leader? Are you an intrapreneur instead of an entrepreneur? A lot of the times we see entrepreneurship online and want to be a part of it, but some of us are better suited as an intrapreneur, working for somebody who wants to take on all the risk for you. And SMMA business owners are popping up every single day. There's about 800,000 new businesses made every single year, and they all need traffic. They all need marketing services. It's a lot of businesses, and you can scoop up those people as clients. And I'm telling you right now, we get 50 to 60 book calls every single day on our calendar. There's money in SMMA. It's that you have to build the right brand. You have to run ads. You have to have a good offer. You got to have good services. You got to have good fulfillment. You have to have these things that allow you to predicate a good business. And if I'm sitting there right now, maybe you're in college, maybe you're struggling. SMMA is not dead. It is simply a business model for those who want to get off the ground faster and learn real skills. I'm telling you right now, if you do SMMA, you're going to learn sales, marketing, copy, funnels, like branding, design, all these things that you can take as skills forever and ever and ever, especially sales. Sales is one of the fastest way to make 10K per month on the internet, working for other entrepreneurs, taking high ticket sales calls and making money that way. But if you run your own SMMA, you're gonna learn all of these on your own. So sales and marketing are the 2 most important skills hands down. And then third would be what I like to call emotional intelligence, the ability to understand people and human psychology and how they move and how they talk and how they react and how they're emotionally bound to decisions and why people make decisions and how. It's a very good skill set to understand because then you can navigate people, relationships, networking a lot more efficiently. SMMA allowed me to meet some of my best friends this very day and some of the biggest clients on the internet. And these 2 ClickFunnels awards behind me were a reason for that. One of my clients gave me one, and we are still working to this very day, building long-term relationships, and that's one of mine. And I have my 10 million one coming in the mail right now. This thing where what you put in is what you then are gonna get out. If you look at SMMA as, oh, it's too saturated. It's not saturated, you just suck. And that's okay, but you have to find the right people who can help you. Now, in the description below, I put together a very small 6-figure agency accelerator course. It's $97, nothing insane. Okay, there's no upsells, none of that. At the end of this video, you can check it out. It's the first link in the description. It's $97. It's everything that I know about growing an agency, everything that I know about, getting to the 6-figure mark that you're all seeking. Or maybe you can take your 6-figure agency and take it to 7 by basically piggybacking off my ideologies and my systems and my offers and my fulfillment and my services. And I think that's very beneficial for anybody here who's watching. Now, I'm not going to charge you $1,000 for a course. I think it's stupid. The thing that made SMMA even close to dead was the fact that ad costs are higher now, and you have to have a real business to make money with ads. Like, you can't just pitch a service to somebody, get them on as a client, and all of a sudden they're making money. It requires a lot more skill sets now. So it's not that SMA is dead, it's actually exclusive. And you can be the one there to have the taking if you're willing to acquire the right skill sets. And that's what my 6-figure agency accelerator provides. So click the first link in the description. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, just subscribe. We're posting really cool content right now. I'm very excited about all the new revolving content, and I'm pumped to, obviously engage you guys in the comments, give you guys value, and keep running the journey as I do. And yeah, SMMA is not dead. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.